In the sun-drenched park, young Lily struggles to keep up with the group, her breath ragged and her face flushed with exertion. Tom, noticing Lily's struggle, slows down, his brow furrowing with concern as he calls out, "Hey, Lily, you okay?" Tom extends a water bottle to Lily, reassuring her, "Here, take some water. It's okay to slow down. We're all in this together." Inspired by Tom's kindness, the other kids rally around Lily, transforming the run into a collaborative endeavor. Tom's words resonate as he smiles at the group. "Remember, you don't have to be the fastest. You just have to try your best and help a friend." Bathed in sunlight, the classroom buzzes with a quiet hum, yet Samira's isolation casts a shadow over the bright scene. In a moment of kindness, Ben's warm smile breaks through Samira's solitude, offering a bridge to connection and belonging. As Samira shares her unique ideas, Ben listens with rapt attention, weaving a tapestry of collaboration and mutual respect. In the shared endeavor, their voices blend seamlessly, echoing the narrative. "We're all different. That's okay. That's what makes us great today." As the setting sun paints the sky, Mrs. Davis, her face a canvas of wrinkles, struggles with grocery bags, her every step a testament to her enduring spirit. Jake, initially lost in the digital world, pauses, his moment of hesitation breaking into a decisive act of kindness. In a simple act of grace, Jake eases the burden from Mrs. Davis, their exchange a quiet symphony of gratitude and youthful generosity. Mrs. Davis expresses her gratitude with a gentle smile, her words echoing a profound appreciation for the simple act of kindness. Jake responds with a modest offer of help, his youthful energy bringing a moment of light into Mrs. Davis' evening. The community center pulsates with life, laughter echoing through the hall as a symphony of activity unfolds. A tapestry of shared effort emerges as people unite, transforming the space with heartfelt dedication and festive adornments. The air is infused with the comforting scent of freshly baked goods, a sweet promise of unity and shared joy. A chorus of voices rises in harmony. "Be kind, be you, let your heart shine through. A little kindness every day can make the world a brighter place." Every act of kindness reverberates through the hall, transforming the community center into a beacon of hope and collective spirit.